Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the 100% detox orange carrot ginger juice. This is best for boosting the immunity and should be tried on empty stomach. For this, I take a cup of oranges which are nicely washed and peeled, and then I add a cup of nicely chopped carrots. On top of this, I add peeled and cut ginger pieces, and I then top this up with some mint leaves or pudina leaves as they call it. This provides a refreshing flavor to it. I then top it up with some water, which is enough to submerge all of these vegetables, grind it into a nice paste, and now I will run it through a sieve so that all of the hard particles would come out. Especially seeds from oranges would actually get strained here. To this, I add some lemon juice, I top it up with some salt and then some pepper. Then add some honey, which is completely optional dependent on how sweet you want the drink to be. Now, our 100% detox drink is ready to be had.